Ain't no fucking police.
On July 26, 2023, San Francisco police officers arrived to arrest a suspect on an active warrant, but the situation quickly escalated into chaos when a second man interfered with the arrest.
Just hold on. I'm not gonna seize it. I promise I'm not gonna seize it.
Hey, sis, call somebody, bro. You get out of my pocket. I forgot her number.
I'll get it for you, dude.
I ain't got no warrant, bro. They just check.
Bro, they talking about something. I got a warrant out, bro.
They're checking right now, bro.
I don't know. I'm just saying.
I haven't searched you yet.
All right, go ahead. Search me. Y'all supposed to be search me up there. The fuck you mean? The fuck you mean?
Brother, don't add on charges, brother.
I ain't having no charges, brother. What the fuck my hands? Cause like my back.
Just chill out, man. Good, brother. Just chill out. Don't add on no charges.
3 minutes later, the second suspect arrives, and officers immediately sense he's up to no good.
Y'all doing?
Come on now, tell them, big bro. I ain't doing shit.
Y'all doing in my neighborhood?
You got a warrant. We're taking him around.
Ain't got no warrant. Ain't no fucking police. Ain't no police.
Come on.
It's okay.
Get on this nigga, huh?
Ain't no fucking police.
Relax.
I said so. The fucking royal. Now tell me something.
You need to back up and
I
take
need to
it
do
out.
what?
I need to back up, nigga.
I need to do what? I'm cuffing right now. I'm cuffing right now. I'm on my soul. I'm cuffing right now. Fuck you, bro. I wish somebody would roll up to us right now. The king is outside. Get the fuck out of my hood.
Therefore, you gotta come from. You got one point.
He's going nowhere. What you mean? He ain't going nowhere. You already want to start me. You want to start me. I'm not worried about the women. You want to start me? You want to start me? Let him roll up here. I got you right
You got a gun.
Hey!
The officers try to de-escalate the situation while waiting for backup, and things are about to get out of control fast.
Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Hey, he's got a gun. Get your hands up. Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Get your hands up right now.
Hands up right now. I'll shoot. Hands up or I'll shoot. Hands up or I'll shoot. Charlie 11 Adam 1 at gunpoint, not responding to commands. Get your hands up or I'll shoot you in the head. Hands up or I'll shoot you in the head. Get on the ground. Put your hands up and get on the ground.
Despite life-saving efforts from emergency responders and medical staff, 41-year-old Ryant Bluford was pronounced deceased at the hospital.
Somebody put it out. Charlie 11 Adam shots fired.
Cheers.
Man, back up.